Hello guys, guess where am I going? Correct, IKEA. Come, it's my favorite place. Let's explore IKEA and see what has come new. Come, let us go. Oh, hello. Look at this. Hedge. Hi. Tack. Tacky. Tack. Thanks. Here I am playing and I love to play this. Oopsie. Yay, I don't want to go shopping. I just want to keep playing like a little baby. I love this. Drug copy and everything. My little favorite place. Oh, there's water bottles with everything. This video is sponsored by Lemon Black Tea. Oh, today is IKEA's 3rd birthday. Wow, not my birthday. It's IKEA's 3rd birthday. Let's visit IKEA. Oh, look at this little head. It's so funny. Oh, when I'm touching it, it's changing color. Look at these lamps. So, hello, I love this steady table. Oh, wow. It's amazing. Oh, this is periodic table. And this. Oh, wow. I love to play this every time when I come in IKEA. Oh, come on, go inside. Hello. Come back inside. Oh, this is a cute little cozy bed. Oh, wow, so many of toys. I love toys. Yay, cute toys. Hi. So good. I love in here. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like, share, subscribe.